Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Instagram app not working on iPhone, or Instagram keeps stopping, not working, or Instagram has stopped error on iPhone. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to check the server status of Instagram. So if there is any downtime going on, you must check it and wait for some time. So you have to search for Instagram down detector, and after that go below, and here you will find if there is any downtime going on in Instagram app. If yes, you have to wait for some time, and after that again launch the app and check whether it's working or not. If not, next is to force close the Instagram. So if your Instagram app is open, then you have to force close the app and then again launch it. So you have to simply force close the Instagram app like this, and after that check if Instagram is working or not. If not, next is to update your Instagram app. So make sure your Instagram app is up to date. For that you have to go to the App Store. After that, here in the search option, search for Instagram, and now check if any update is available over here. If yes, update your Instagram app to the latest version, and after that launch the app and check if it's working. Next method is to clear cache of Instagram. So for that you have to go to settings. Now click on general, click on iPhone storage, click on Instagram, open it, and then click on offload app, and then click on offload. So by doing this, Instagram cache will be cleared, and after that you have to check if Instagram is working or not. Next method is to check for iOS update. So for that you have to go to settings again, click on general, click on software update, and here you have to check if your iPhone OS needs any kind of update. If yes, update your iOS to the latest version, and after that launch the app and check if it's working. Next is to reset a network setting. For that again go to settings, click on general, go below, click on transfer or reset iPhone, click on reset, and then click on reset network settings. After doing this method, check if Instagram is working or not. But if the issue still continues again and again, then the final solution is to reinstall the app once. So for that, click and hold the Instagram app icon like this, and then click on remove app, then click on delete app. This will completely remove the Instagram app from your iPhone. Again go to App Store and search for Instagram app, and then again download Instagram once again, log, and then check if you can launch or access the app or not. So that's all for now in this video.